Hi there, welcome to the practice questions on being able to integrate a function. What I'd like you to do now is to pause the video and have a go at integrating these four functions. And then when you're happy with your answers, then restart the video and go through the model answers with me. So pause the video now and have a go at questions 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hi, welcome back. Let's now go through these four questions together. Okay, now if you remember, if we're going to integrate a function, if you viewed the lesson on this, you'll know that if we have a function, say for example ax to the n, then when we integrate this function, it becomes ax to the n plus 1 all over n plus 1. So if we apply this onto these questions here, for question 1, the 3 is going to go up to a 4, so we end up with 5x to the power of 4, but then we must divide this by 4. The 6x, well initially that's 6x to the 1, so that would go up to 6x squared, but then of course it needs to be divided by 2 as well. And the 5 just becomes 5 to the x. But remember, because this is indefinite integration, we need to add c. This could simplify, of course, to 3x squared. Question 2. We've got the negative here, so what would happen to this? This would become negative 5x. The 4 would be raised to the 5, and then this would have to be divided by 5. Then this minus 7x, well that's to the 1, that would go up to 2, so this would become minus 7x to the 2, all divided by 2, plus c. We could of course simplify this. I'm going to do this for you. So this would become minus 5 divided by 5 is just 1, so that's minus x to the 5 minus 7 over 2 x squared plus c. Question 3 here then. Again, the 2 would go up to a 3. If we raise the 2 to a 3 and divide by 3, the 6 would divide by 3 as well. So that would give us 2x to the 3. This 2 would then raise to a 3, so we'd have plus 5x to the 3, but that then needs to be divided by 3. The 5 becomes 5x, and don't forget to add a constant of integration, the c. And question 4 then, final one. We've got a negative power here. This would then go up 1, so negative 2 raised by 1 would be negative 1, and then of course we'd have to divide it by negative 1 as well. So 5 divided by negative 1 is going to turn that to a negative, so we're going to have negative 5x to the negative 1. The 2 would raise to a 3, so we'd have negative 7x to the 3 over 3. The minus 7 would turn into minus 7x, and don't forget our c as our constant of integration. This first term of course could be written as minus 5 over x, and then we'd have minus 7x to the 3 over 3 minus 7x plus c.